Good afternoon, everybody. It's a very nice, sprinkly, rainy Saturday evening. I wanted to film the food trucks so you guys can see the food trucks down at the mall, near the Washington Mall. So, I'm just gonna try to walk through and you guys can see what they have here. A bunch of good. Yeah, it smells good. Some good food trucks down here if you guys want to ever come to visit Washington, D.C. Washington Monument on that side. Capitol on this side. We're gonna see some more food trucks. It's starting to rain again. Yeah, I feel it's been really hot in the DMV. There's a lot of people out today, and there's no humidity. A lot of people take pictures of the monument and the Capitol. Or that's the monument, that's the Capitol. There's some more food trucks. There's an ice cream truck. One over there too. Well, he's playing some terrible music. That might get a copyright strike, so I'll have to mute that music out. There's a lot of food trucks here. Across the street. Food trucks across the street. There's a lot of good stuff here. Never in downtown Washington, D.C., definitely going to stop on smells very good. That does it for the food trucks. I guess it's a little bit rainy, that's why there's not that many out here. But I want to go ahead and continue on my walk. Remember to subscribe and follow and like. Y'all have a good day.